Welcome to Buddy Study, Easy Learn with Buddies. In this class, we are going to learn Mathematics, Chapter 1, Rational Numbers, Exercise 1.1, 7th question. So, 7th question says us that evaluate 6 upon 5 plus 7 upon 3 plus of minus 2 upon 5 plus of minus 2 upon 3 after rearrangement. So, here why they have given rearrangement? Because the denominators from this question are same, so we have to combine that and we have to make it. So now let's solve it. 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 3 plus of minus 2 upon 5 plus of minus 2 upon 3. So now first thing is that we have to remove these brackets. So let's remove the brackets. 3 upon 5 plus 7 upon 3 plus into minus, which is equals to minus 2 upon 5, again plus into minus, which becomes minus 2 upon 3. So after this, here we have to bring this both denominators 5 to one place and this both denominators 3 to one place. Okay? So now let's bring them together. Yes. So now 3 upon 5, this minus 2 upon 5, we have to bring it here. Minus 2 upon 5, this plus comes here, plus 7 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3. Now, the denominators are same, so now directly we can subtract it. 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So, 1 upon 5 plus, now 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. So 5 upon 3. So now LCM of 5 and 3, which is equals to 15. So now we have to make the LCMs equal. So LCM which is equals to 15. Okay. And then 1 into 3 plus 5 into 5, because we have to get the denominators as 15. So we have to multiply the same number with the numerator also. So this is equals to 3 plus 25 upon 15. Okay? And then, so 3 plus 25, which is equals to 28 upon 15. So this is our answer. So 8th question says that we have to subtract. They have given two questions, A and B. So question number A says that 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. So you should not subtract 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So this is wrong. So you have to subtract it 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. So you have to do it like this. Okay. So now to subtract, we have to make the LCMs equal. The LCM of 3 and 4, which is equals to 12. So let's make a LCMs 12. Now 1 into 4 minus, okay, 1 into 4 minus 3 into 3. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 minus 3 into 3, 9 upon 12. Now 4 minus 9, which is equals to minus 5. So the answer becomes minus 5 upon 12. So coming to our question number B, second question. So now here also we have to subtract 2 minus 32 upon 13. Okay. So now which becomes 2 upon 1. Okay. Now this is equals to LCM of 1 and 1 and 13 is 13. So LCM becomes 13. Okay. And now we have to multiply 2 into 13 minus of 32 into 1. Okay. Now 2 into 13, which is equals to 26, minus 32. Okay, minus 32. So now 26, this plus in minus into minus, which becomes plus. So this is equals to 26 plus 32 upon 13. So now 26 plus 32, which is equals to 58. So the answer becomes 58 upon 13. So this is our answer for 8th question. So 9th question says that what number should be added to minus 5 upon 8 so as to get minus 3 upon 2. So what number should we add to minus 5 upon 8 to get minus 3 upon 2? So first of all, from this word format we have to make it into equation format. So to do that, minus 5 upon 8, okay, minus 5 upon 8 plus added there as, so we have to give addition symbol, plus something, let's keep it as x, this is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now we have to bring this minus 5 upon 8 to this RHS, which is equals to right hand side. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Here it's minus 5 upon 8. After going to this equals RHS to the equals to sign, which becomes plus 5 upon 8. Plus 5 upon 8. Now we have to add these both numbers. To add that both, we have to make the LCMs equal. So x is equals to, so LCM of 2 and 8, which is equals to 8. 8 over here. And now minus 3 into 4 plus 5 into 1. Okay. Now which is equals to minus 3 into 4, which is equals to minus 12. Minus 12 plus 5 ones are 5 by 8. Okay. Now minus 12 plus 5, which is equals to minus 7 and the denominator by 8. So if we are adding minus 7 upon 8 to minus 5 upon 8, we are going to get minus 3 upon 2. So this is the value of x. Okay. The value of x is minus 7 upon 8. So 10th question says that the sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 upon 6, find the other. So now this question is same like the previous one. They are asking us that to find one number, that if we add that number to minus 5 upon 6, we get 8. So let's make an equation. Minus 5 upon 6 plus x is equals to 8. So now we have to find it. So to find the x, we have to move minus 5 upon 6 to the RHS. So x is equals to 8. This minus, after going to RHS, it becomes plus. So plus 5 upon 6. 8 upon 1. Okay. Now LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. So x is equals to 8 into 6 plus 5 into 1. Okay. Now x is equals to 8 6 are 48 into 5 upon 6. Okay. And then 48, sorry, not into, plus 48 plus 5, which is equals to 53. So this is equals to, so directly you can say that x is equals to 53 upon 6. So the value of x is equals to 53 upon 6. Thank you for watching. In this video, we have learned Chapter 1 Register Numbers, Exercise 1.1, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So 4 questions we have learned. In the next video, we are going to learn 11th question. If you want any notes, please comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye buddies.